Hey guys, it's Shannon. Welcome back to another Quick Tip Tuesday. So my silhouette cameo only cuts up to 12 inches wide and I'm needing something that is 14 by 14. So I wanted to share with you how to piece together stencils to create a design that is bigger than what your actual machine will cut. So let's get started. So here's a look at the stencil that I've already cut. I will insert pictures here of what this piece looked like before I cut it down. But what I basically did was I took this logo and I blew it up to 14 by 14 on my Silhouette Studio program. And then what I did is I cut a line. I took my knife tool and I cut a line in the logo. That way this part here is only a little bit less than 12 inches tall, which is what you can run through your machine. And this is what I was left with. So this much was what was not able to be cut on one sheet of my Oramask stencil material. Same thing if you're going to be using vinyl. So what I did is I went ahead and cut my logo into two pieces. So this piece and this piece. And then what I did is I came back in and I cut with my scissors right up to the edge of where I needed my stencils to meet. So same thing with this one at the top. There was more blue up here and I just cut that off. So I cut a straight line right where I want my stencils to meet up. So I'm going to time lapse this so that you guys can see me actually piecing this whole stencil together on a palette style sign. So here's a look at the stencil piece together. So I do have a little bit of an overlap here, so you can see it's not perfectly straight. So I'm just gonna take my X-Acto knife and trim that up a little bit. And it's a little bit more difficult when you're working on an uneven surface like palette wood and palette boards like this, but it's a little bit more simple whenever you're using a flat surface. So keep that in mind. It's definitely doable. It's really not that big a deal, and I just wanted to show you guys how simple it really is. Thank you so much for joining me for another Quick Tip Tuesday. Make sure you take a second to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, as well as these Quick Tip Tuesdays. Hit the bell as well so that you get notified when my videos do go live, and I'll see y'all next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.